So guys, yesterday is 27th of April and the time is almost 9:14 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page, the Nifty 50 is opening at 70,073.35, that is 0.74% down. Advanced stocks are only 3 declines of 46 and then is only one stock. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most cap up section, that is ONGC with only 0.60% up and Adani Ports with only 0.50% up. And now coming to the stock which are opening in the most cap down section, that is Bajaj Finance with 1.94% down and LT with 1.47% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So in just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So if you guys like my videos, you can subscribe to my channel. So I do upload a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, and also I upload everyday live trading what I do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, as right now I'll be short selling ICICI Bank in the market level. So this is a stock which I picked yesterday itself for the today's trading. So yes, I shall short sell now and wait for the stock to come down. So let's short sell now. 747. So I guess yes, we are in a sell side of ICICI Bank now, and the stock is taking some of a time to give a movement. It's not so much of a fast movement here. So the market is 0.72% down, but still the stock is giving a very less movement. So anyway, it will take some time. So let's wait for it. 746 now. So I shall book 4 to 5 points target and exit. So it is almost more than a 0.5% of the stock. So we always follow the discipline and maintain the discipline to make consistent profit in the trading. So 746 now. So let's see how long the stock will take to hit 744 or 742. And from there I'll take my exit, and once I take my exit I'll update you guys. Okay, so 745.50 now. So yes, we are almost 2 points down now to the nearly to the target. So let's see, let's wait for the stock to give a target. So the new low 745 has been made now. Okay, so from 745, if it gives a breakout at 745, we can expect some of a big movement to happen. So let's wait for that big movement to happen. So it's still bouncing back near 745, so this will take some time. Okay, so even if the market is down, this stock is having some support at 745 to 746, so that's why it's taking some of a time. So once it gives a breakout, I think we'll be able to get a fast movement here. So let's wait for the 745 to give a breakout. So yes, it's trying to give a breakout now. 744.8090. Yes, so you can see the new low has been made. The new low is 744.10 now. It's a bit of a fast movement right now. So 744 is almost being touched here. Okay, so 744 has been hit. So let's wait now. So it took a support somewhere around there, and it is now back to 745 levels again. So now again we need to wait, guys. So the stock is at a bit of a range bound, but not much. But I guess this will give a breakout very soon to the downside, because the market is also downside now. So let's see. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.